Ever wonder what happens to the microbes from your groundwater after they make their way into Microbial Insights? First, the sample is collected from the monitoring well. One way is to use a peristaltic pump to collect a groundwater sample into a poly bottle. The microbes that are in your groundwater will also be placed into the bottle. Next, the bottle is labeled with all the sample information and capped tightly for shipment. The bottle is then placed into a cooler with lots of ice for overnight shipment to the nearest Microbial Insights laboratory. The cooler is then taken from the field site to a FedEx office, where it is placed onto an airplane for overnight delivery to the closest Microbial Insights laboratory. At the lab, a technician opens the cooler and checks the integrity of the samples inside. Each sample is given a unique Microbial Insights identifier, which will stay with the sample throughout the entire process. The sample is then taken to the laboratory for filtration. In the filter lab, the technician opens the bottle and pours the contents into a filter apparatus. The filter containing the microbes is then removed and placed into a DNA extraction tube for extraction and purification. All this happens on the same day that the sample is received. At the end of the extraction, there's a small tube with the DNA of all the microbes in the groundwater sample. A portion of this DNA extract is then placed into a PCR reaction plate with the correct primers and probe to target our organisms of interest. An extraction blank and positive and negative controls are also included on the PCR reaction plate as part of our rigorous QA/QC program. This plate is then placed into a qPCR instrument for all the qPCR reaction to occur. The instrument generates curves that can be correlated to a known concentration of the microbe of interest. From these curves, results are calculated and reported. These valuable results are then used by consultants and site managers to make actionable decisions. Contact a representative at Microbial Insights to learn more about the amazing world of microbes.